हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 7 इंग्लिश का 4.5 फ्रॉम द सेल्फ जेट इसके इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो अपना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से लिस्ट ऑल द वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू वेदर एंड सीजन फ्रॉम द स्टोरी। आंसर: springtime, delicate blossom, autumn, rich fruit, sweet singing of birds, happy atmosphere, winter, snow and frost, north wind, hail, roaring of the north wind, garden, beautiful with trees, flowers, fruit, etc. Second है, from groups 5, turn the story into play as an activity. Use the following skills, scenes and characters. Write appropriate speeches, dialogue for them. Also write stage direction in brackets. Each group can write one or two scenes. Then put the scenes together to make a whole play. Read all the play aloud. Answer: scene first. In the giant gardens. Characters: narrator, children, birds, etc. Narrator: every afternoon children coming from school and used to go and play giant's garden. Gardens was lovely and so beautiful. Children, hey, let's play. We didn't want to miss the beautiful sight called children went in the garden. Birds. Birds were so happy. They started singing and said, how happy we are. All birds were sitting on the trees. Answer. Scene 2. In the giant's garden, the giant returns. Characters. Narrator, giants and children. Narrator. One day, giants come back. He had been to visit his friends, the Cornish orc. He had on stay with him for 7 years. Jet, hey, what's are you doing here? This is my own garden. Nobody to play in it but myself. Jet stand in the garden. He started building high wall around it. He write a note thanks from the children to the giant who is now their friends. Answer, dear giant. First day, how we love you now. We are sorry to for thoughts to you as selfish कर giant. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। We were angry with your not allowing us to play in your garden. When the crept in your garden, it became a wonderful sight. You realized that you were wrong. You are very sorry for what you had done. You opened the door for the garden for us and knocked down the wall. You played with us and gave a great joy. Dear Giant, we really love you now. Thank you for your kindness and the joy you give us. We all love you, all the children. For the story given here is a part of longer story. Read the entire story of the selfish giant. तो स्टूडेंट ये आप खुद से करेंगे।
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 7वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.